Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Greek ebook before it's gone.
Welcome to your 2000 Core Greek Words and Phrases video series quiz. Each week we'll release a video teaching you new vocabulary. The following week you'll be given a quiz so you can test your progress. Click the link in the description. Let's learn and review the words for your test. But if you're ready, it's quiz time. Χρειάζομαι. Διαβάζω. Στέκομαι. Αστοχώ. Μπαίνω. Beautiful. What time is it? I'm good. Awesome. I like it. Great job on completing the quiz. If you didn't get 100%, don't worry. Just check out the previous video again to review the expressions we covered. But before you go, we have a free gift that you don't want to miss. Use it to expand your vocabulary. Click the link in the description below to download a Greek ebook with a core 2000 words for daily life situations.